Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your profile photo from your Google account. So in order to do this, first I'll head on to my browser, and now in here I'll type in google.com. If you haven't logged into your account, you will have to do it first. Once you're in google.com, you will have to click on the profile icon right here, and now you will see this option called manage your Google account. You will have to click on it, and then you can see these options right here on the left side. You have to click on personal information. Now you can see in the basic info, you can see this photo option, and you can click on here, and now you will have this option to change this, and you can click on it, and then you will see these options, illustrations, and then these things. So in order to upload a photo from your computer, you have to choose this option from computer, and now you will have to upload it from your computer. Select the location of that image that you want to import, and then click on open. I'll show you by opening an image. I'll select this logo and now show you how it's done. So I'll click on open. As you can see, this crop, you will have this option to crop the photo, so you can do it accordingly, and then click on the next option, and now you can click on save as profile picture, and voila. So that's how you can easily change your profile photo from your Google account. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.